Hi, I'm Bridie and today I'm going to teach you how to turn this style wall into an artificial green wall using the luxury hedge tiles. We love these lush and full 1 metre tiles. They have a real natural look and being fully UV treated, they look stunning indoors or out. For this project, we'll need a tape measure, cable ties, masking tape, scissors, a permanent marker, some screws, plasterboard anchors, a drill, and a step ladder. So first we need to measure the wall to figure out how many tiles we'll need. So today we'll be attaching the tiles to a plasterboard wall. We've already checked behind the wall for power and we're all clear. So we'll be using plasterboard anchors and screws to attach the tiles to the wall. So we're just going to use the masking tape to ensure that we get a straight line. And then we're just going to use a marker to mark where we're going to put our screws. So next we're just going to drill a little hole where we've marked on the wall. And then we'll attach the first row of plasterboard anchors. Now we can simply attach the first row of panels using the plasterboard anchors. Now we attach the rest of the panels, putting in more plasterboard anchors and screws as we go, ensuring that all the panels are straight and making sure that the foliage is going the right way. And now just putting the final screw in the final panel. And then once all the panels are in place, we can just trim off any of the excess and spruce it up to make sure it's looking nice and lush and full. And there we have it, a beautiful green wall, and best of all, it requires no maintenance at all.